Second years and third years, all branches, yes. How was the session? Pardon? Informative? Informative or not? Can I have the last seat, black color shirt boy to come here? Blue or black color? Parvalava. So tell about today's session. Then your name, branch. Not to me, to the audience.
Employees we have civil department and in the informative.
What was the information? I don't know. No, I didn't attend the session. How informative it was? What was the title of today's session?
About the internet. Muthuraman.
Mr. Muthuraman. வாங்க. அவங்க வந்துட்டு நெக்ஸ்ட் அவங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட கூப்பிடுவாங்க. So be ready. அவங்க ஃப்ரெண்டா எனிமியான்னு வந்தப்போ So tell about today's session.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am Muthuraman from Civil Department. This program was very useful for us. We really enjoyed this session. Frankly speaking, I didn't listen to anything in this session. Why? Because I came 5 minutes after the session started. Without knowing the basic, I can't able to understand what I say. So from starting to last, I didn't listen to everything. That's it.
What are your special extracurricular activities other than studying?
Other than studies,
let everybody know about you.
my one and only extracurricular activity is I am a state and national karate champion. Last year January I went for a state tournament. In that I lost in 5th round. Coming September I am going for a nationals. It's going to held in Delhi. So all please pray for me to win in the national, and my ambition is to reach WKF. It is World Karate Federation. So kindly pray for me. That's it.
What is your CGPA?
In my first sem, my CGPA is 8.15.
So congratulations. Can you call one of your friends from there?
It's Ravi Chandran, ma'am. Wait, ma'am.
His name is.
Good evening everyone. I am Ravi Chandran from Mechanical Department. நானும் லாஸ்ட் சீட்டில் தான் உட்காந்துட்டு இருந்தேன். ஆனால் சீக்கிரமாக வந்துட்டேன்.
எந்த பத்தி சொன்னாங்க? This is too bad. Can anyone come and tell me what happened in today's session? Girls or boys? இந்த ஸ்கில் கத்துக்கிட்டேன்னா அது வந்து கிடைக்கும். Girls, please come forward. Aishwarya. Now all her friends will get scared. Tell about today's session.
It was very informative. We learned about cloud storage and how Facebook is storing its data and how Gmail is operating with all its users and why we are not getting our Anna University results so fast. And then what is CRM? That is customer service and how it is operating, how everyone are meeting customer needs, and sir gave an example about Ola cabs, how they are connecting people with all the cabs and everything, and the ratings also play a major role in giving you a cab, because if you rate a 5, then you won't get a cab next time. So that's what we inferred from this session.
What is cloud computing?
Cloud computing is online storage of data.
Where it will be stored?
They have a separate server for that.
Is it secure?
Yes, but most of the time it may get corrupted.
No, not related to corruption. Will it be safe?
Yeah, it is.
Can
safe.
anyone access that data?
No, the person who is using it only can.
No, you are using and someone is storing in the server. How will you trust that server person who is having the entire control?
He'll be having separate codes for that. For each person.
Did you ask that doubt of him? Did they interact with you?
Actually, I told about the security. So they are storing in a locker. They are using bank locker. Means on what basis?
You have a code.
So similar to that, we are storing.
They will only store your data. They cannot access your data without your permission. So this is very essential, because people generally don't have the trust that they don't believe even IT industry for sharing any data. And nowadays in WhatsApp you get that security code.
Encryption between two persons.
Yeah. Is it safe?
It is very safe. Actually, after getting encrypted, your data will be transferred in coding source. So not in as message.
So in between you cannot.
You cannot track those. It will become in coding format. The data will be transferred in coding. Only you and the receiver person will have the text format.
Even I was told some photographs, whatever you store in cloud or in your drive or something, even after you delete it, the samples will be available.
It will take a time of 1 month. So, for example, if you are storing data in cloud, currently they will store the data in the data centers continuously. Within a time of 1 month, if your data is stored on the same place for 1 month, they will take the data into another location. That will become a vault of your data. In that location, they will store for a period of time. That will check your availability on the cloud. If you have deleted the pic means, they will wait for a month of time one. So after that, they will clear the data in the vault itself.
So you don't think if you have deleted something, it goes off, vanishes immediately. It will stay for some more time. So you have to be safe when you are uploading photos or transferring photos or any information from one end to other end. So this is one of the safety thing which every one of you have to keep in mind. You may delete it, but it will not get deleted in the place where it is stored. So you talked about the training for them and job opportunities for this. They are only in the second and third year.
Yeah.
So
This
what do
is
you
the right
think
time
is
for
the second year students, what level of training they should?
They can have both the level of training. So So this is the right time for them. So once they in second year, they have to train. After that, they have an option to develop their own application, but that useful for the project also. So in final year or third year, pre-final year projects, they can use this concept and to develop an application in final year and third year projects. And also for third years, after finishing the certification, they have an opportunity in the placement opportunities in various companies.
So do you offer them any placement from?
Yeah, certified students we will give an
Who gives this certification?
certification they have to take right from the Salesforce.
Now, where all it is valid?
It is valid all over the world. It is similar to an CCNA certification. You are going
Will
to
they
take
have to write the test online?
Yeah, it is an online certification exam. The certification will be taken in a closed room without any disturbances. It is purely biometric exam. So while you are writing an exam, they are watching you so through the webcam. So you have to can't malpractice anything. You have to strictly take the exams. After taking exam, instantly they will provide the certification. Once they get certificate, they have an option to place in all the IT companies. Where all the IT companies move towards the cloud. So there is not lot of need for the customer students to certify in that stream. So before that, currently the students have the opportunities to move over the cloud. So in the past years, going to be very tough for the cloud. But in future, cloud will be the main thing that is going to.
What sort of job profile the students will be getting if they are certified with cloud?
The profile will be it will be a developers. The profile where the student gets placed, they will be a developers in cloud, and they will be admin in the cloud. The developers in the company, IT companies, they can develop an application over the cloud. But in admin style of students, they can customize and modify the developed application. The coders develop the application and deliver the application to the market. But the admin level, they customize according to the customer's need. So,
How about hacking done in cloud?
it cannot be done in the cloud. Actually, Salesforce conduct a game program every year. So in that game program, if any user or any customer hacks into the network, they will give a prize amount of $10 million. This game show is conducted every year by the Salesforce itself in Dream Cloud.
Okay.
So still now no one has been breakthrough on the Salesforce cloud. So the 10 million prize money is still. So that is the main security of the Salesforce. So main thing is US government stores all the data on Salesforce. While booking a visa, American visa, you can see the cloud symbol on the top right corner. That cloud is on from Salesforce. Salesforce has the right to use the cloud symbol.
So if anybody is interested to take up a job related to cloud computing, and if you require a training or the course to be conducted in-house in the college, then based on the number of students, then we may arrange. So it's up to you, and you can intimate the HODs, so that if you are interested, then we can have it with some reduction in your fees or something, because we are going to have it in the college. So it depends upon your wish, because whatever you study is not sufficient. No, nowadays you need to have extra knowledge on the present trend, what is happening, and how the industry expects from you. If you say like I have done my engineering, all of them would have done the same engineering with the same syllabus. So how you are different from others, this is what an industry looks at you. So how you are going to enhance your skills, how you are going to add on value to your education is very essential. So doing some hands-on training, like doing some projects, practically experiencing something is one way, and in enhancing your skills on your area. If you are going to be a core EC student or a EEE student who would like to join in a core company where VLSI is a major platform there, or an embedded company, or whatever it is. So whatever you study in syllabus is only a basic. It's something like ABCD of your English language. So you need to enhance yourself specifically on that particular area, so that when you go for such a job, then you will be given priority. So from now onwards, you have to first focus on what is your focus, what is your likes and dislikes, and what you want to do, become. So you start planning that. Plan and act accordingly. If you are doing some mini project, you start doing in that area, so that all the basics will be done there. then go to the main project with the same topic or the same area, so that you will have better knowledge. Otherwise, if you start doing here and there different, always you will be only in the basics. You will not be able to go to the next level. So you plan, listen to many lectures like this, understand the job profiles and opportunities, sync with your vision and liking, what you would like to do. So based on that, start preparing yourself. So just passing an exam is not sufficient. That is only a minimal criteria for entering for an interview. After entering into the interview, you will be questioned on your skills, extra talent and the skill what you develop. And that should be done within the college time. Within this 4 years, you have to do this. If you are good in that, then when you are going out of the college, then you will be equipped with job opportunities. So job opportunities are plenty. Only thing, you are not equipping yourself to reach that expectation. So that has to be kept in mind. All the very best. God bless you all. Thank you.